Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on Little's Law YouTube channel. In this video, we are not going to see about performance testing or any DevOps concepts, but we are going to see about one easy, quick hack which will definitely help you in improving your speed of work and improving your quality of work. So, with no further delay, let's go to the video. And before that, I request you all to subscribe to Little's Law YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please do ask your comments and please do post your comments and ask your questions in the comment section. Like and share the video with your friends if you really like the video. So let's now go to the video, and in this video we are going to see about one particular concept, which is, so for example, in most of the times, like when we are creating a script or when we are working on a script, we used to go to the Stack Overflow, we used to copy the code, we used to have different versions of the code, and when we try to create it or when we try to paste it in the compiler or wherever we want to paste it, so we do it. And there is one more thing. So for example, if you are copying a particular code or particular line of code from a page and you want to paste it somewhere, for example, I'm just getting a line of code which tells as printf, which tells me to print the line. And the other case where you are having another line which tells echo print the line. So you are copying both the lines and you want to copy and you want to keep this in the clipboard. So we all know about clipboard, which is the temporary storage of the data which we copy. So for example, you are copying these two lines and you want to paste it, and you want to try these both the lines. You want to try both these lines in a particular code and you have to check how does it work. So when you are just doing Control V, you paste the latest line. So how can you get the list of files or list of documents which you have copied? For that we have the Windows V. So when you click on Windows V, it will give you whatever things you have copied recently after you have logged into the machine. So anything that you copy, everything will get stored in this clipboard, and just choose Windows V and everything will get selected. In case if you are using something very common, something like your user something like your email ID, which is your username, you can just pin it, this so that it comes on top. So for example, if I'm pinning this and when I do button B, the Windows V, and if I go to the Windows, the favorites, you can get the favorites one. And then in case if you want to, and this is again Windows 11, in case if you have Windows 11, you have a lot of options. You have these image emojis, you have the GIF, you can have symbols, yeah, you can have the emojis and various other options as well. And if you are using Windows 10, you can see only this clipboard, the commands, and you can even copy paste your username and password. So with this you can improve, you don't need to copy the same thing multiple times and you have to come back and forth copy pasting it and doing things. So this will actually help you to keep track of whatever things you have copied, and then this will definitely help you to paste, and this will definitely improve your work time and quality. So I believe this video would have been very useful to you. So until I meet you in another interesting video, it's very much Shanmugam and Little's Law.